Thunder is as tall as Thunder is, and he's half St. Bernard. Come here, Thunder.
Come here, Thunder. He thought he'd get a clean break of it.
Okay. Hi, Mikey. Say hi, Mommy. Are you having fun or are you miserable? Do you want to go? Look at that. That is bigger than Thunder, that side of snow. We haven't had a snow like this in years. And there's Patches, Mike. Look at Patches. he was.
He's kind of going on the top.
He is on the top because he was. Oh, there. He broke through your. There, Mike. Did you see? He was in when he goes into your footsteps. He disappears. Now he's forging his own way. Did you hear Mikey snort?
Snoot nose. I want to measure.